So, how to make a trap beat from scratch? Right, this is probably for beginners, but if you're on advanced or intermediate, man, you can also watch this video because you might learn something very useful out of this video. So let's not waste a lot of time. Let's get right into it. What you want to do first is start off by creating some melodies, alright, and then I'm probably gonna select the classical grind for this. I usually use this one to create this sound that I want, and then after that I'll change it to any instrument that I want. Alright, yeah, so I'll bring the tempo up to 140 beats per minute, and yeah, hop inside there and continue by editing. Okay, so now that we have this, I think I'm probably gonna extend this to 8 or 9 bars, and then add some more notes to it. Alright, because I want to change the second part. So I'll probably select all of these notes, copy, and then paste it here. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay, so that is gonna be our basic melody. Alright, so let's go ahead and then add some chords to it. And with the chords too, I think I'm probably gonna select the same sound. That is a classical grain. Okay, and what you want to do here is just follow me. Okay, I think I'll bring this back to 5 bars in a little bit. Alright, then go back in there and edit. Alright, so this is probably gonna be the bass note. Sorry, the root note. Yeah, the root notes. Alright, so let's add some more notes to it and make the chord. Yeah, and select all the root notes, copy, and then paste it. Okay, not there to move it downward to maybe an octave or two, and I'll probably move this to 1 octave. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the chorus. So let's go ahead and lay it to some tracks too, just to see how it will sound like. Alright, so let's lay the metallic bell atmosphere and lay the chorus to it. So what you want to do is just go to the chorus and then select all the notes there, copy, and then come back to this place and paste it over there. Yeah, so one more thing I wanted to show you is just go to settings on this one and then put the quantization also to 1 out of 8 notes. So it sounds like this, or it goes like this. Okay, so the next thing that we're probably gonna do is add some more sounds to it. Alright, and I'm probably going to select how's the name? They call it slow breaths. Yeah, slow breaths. Yeah. Yeah. Once you copy it, then you paste it in here. Here so they can get more depth in the beat. So let's go ahead and then add some basses to it. Bass, and let's select the heavy sub bass. So with the bass, what you want to do is just select the bass note that you have over here. Alright, copy that and then paste it down here. What I want to do next is just add another bass notes to this. So I'm probably selecting his name. Let's go to keyboards and then select pop producer keys. And click on the date and then paste that very same notes to down here. Alright. So now that we have this sound, like the sound is pretty dope right now. I don't want you to leave. Alright. Let's continue doing. Let's add some data uploads to it. There's also some more of these that I want to be out. So go to the sounds and then go back to synth classics and then select digital blocks. Yeah, that's the first one over there. Yeah, and what you want to do with this is just go back to the first melody, then copy all the notes. All right. I think I'll have to bring this down to 1. Yeah, I think it's okay. So as you can see, the sound is kind of messy right now, but just don't worry. All right, just follow along. Right after everything, we arrange everything. All right, so let's go ahead and then add some flow to it. Go back to other and then over the flute. I'm probably gonna solo that track and then okay, so this is the pattern of their flute. The flute always tend to be very loud in the mix, so what you want to do is draw it backwards. If you've made it to this far in the video, I can assure you that we're done with almost 70% of the work. All we have remaining are the drums and the 808 bass, so don't leave just yet. We've got big things coming down the road to make this an absolute banger, you feel me? So now that we have that in mind, I'll arrange what we have and let you know how far we've been. Okay, so now we have So as you can see, that there is a great insight into where we've reached so far. Alright, so I think the next thing that we're supposed to do is add the drums to it. Alright, so I'll be adding the compressor and a little bit of distortion just to make it punch harder. Alright, yeah, as you can see, it's not punching. And I think the next thing you're supposed to do is add the hi-hat, the closed hi-hat. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so what you want to be doing is put the arpeggiator on, alright, and then bring the note rate to 1 out of 8 notes, and then the octave range also down to 1 octave. You press and record and then start playing. Okay, so what I did is added some 2-3 notes to the pattern that we had. Alright, and if you don't know how to do that, I had a video that I broke it down into simpler steps. That is a hi-hat rolls, and the link is down in the description below. If you want to know how to do it, head on to that video, and then yeah, you know exactly how to do it. Alright, so after that, this is what we have. Okay, so I think the next thing that we're supposed to be adding is the 808 bass. Alright, and I have this sampler over here, which is kind of really dope, no? Yeah, I have another vibe. Alright, so let's hop into it and then Okay, so additionally I added these sounds just to make it a little bit classic. Yeah, so that is it. Alright, you can add as many sounds as you like. Alright, yeah, so with that said, I think that is pretty much it. I'm gonna play the whole beat at the end of it so that you get to know what we did. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment. Alright, so until next time, bless up and peace.